How to get cheap shipping on AllChinaBuy. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get cheap shipping cost on your AllChinaBuy. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So here you can see this is AllChinaBuy's homepage. So here you can enter a product's name. So let me type in air fryer here and it should take me to the list of air fryers available. So from here, I can now simply place an order for the product that I want. So let's say this is the product that I want. It'll take me to this page, which it will verify that I'm not a robot and go through all the captcha. You can just add it to your wish list as well. And there we go. It's loading up. Now, what you'll need to do is you will need to buy this. So here, tap on buy now. After you tap on buy now, let me just select a color here, then tap on buy now. And after that, it should take me to this page right here. So now confirm your product here. And what you'll need to do here is if you want to lower your shipping price, you will need to, not take the original packing. So here you will see that there is an option to not take the original packaging. So if you tap on this option right here, that was let me go back here. So if you're on this option right here, you will see how much the shipping cost is and how much the total cost is as well. So right here, what you will need to do is you will need to use your you will need to you not get the box or the original packaging. So to do that, you'll just have to take this no option right here, and doing that, your product's shipping price should be decreased. Now, you'll get that after you tap on the submit option and go through the payment option. And that's how you do this, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.